Hello everyone. So today we are going to see what are the ready-made strategy templates in BullsAI. So you go to Phoenix and scroll down and click on Explore Ready Templates. In Explore Ready Templates, these are all the templates, ready-made templates, which you can use for running your strategy. Today we are going to talk about EMA. In EMA, we have two of the strategies. We have EMA Crossover and we have inverse EMA Scalping. Okay, let's discuss about EMA Crossover. So to open that, I can click on code. After clicking on the code, I can see the code has appeared for me right now over here. If I click on the settings, I'll be directed to this window where I can see there are some strategy parameters. Let's understand what is EMA Crossover. EMA, or exponential moving average, it uses crossovers to capture trend changes. That means it enters a buy when the faster EMA crosses above the slower EMA and sell when it crosses below. What is the faster EMA here? Simply the time period which is very less is the faster EMA and the time period which is more is the slower EMA. So time period 1 is the slower and similarly time period 2 is the faster EMA. Let's see how we can add the strategy to our portfolio and run it. First, you will click on save. After clicking on save, click on continue. After continuing, click on this settings icon. In the settings icon, change the segment to NSE equity. I'll run it on sale. Let the candle be 15 or maybe 10 minutes. I can set any what I want. Let the mode be intraday. Strategy parameters, let it be, or you can change it. And then I'll click on save. After clicking on save, I need to click on add to my portfolio. Now this strategy has been added to my portfolio. If I go to my portfolio, as you can see, the strategy has been added to my portfolio. Now inside portfolio, I can click on start and start the strategy. Very simply, if it's in the morning, I can click on paper trade or live trade and click on start. And if I want to do backtest, I can just click on backtest, set the time duration of the backtest, let's say 3 months. And after that, I can choose a quantity. Let's say, let it be. I can set a target and stop loss level as well. After enabling this and clicking on the arrow button, let's say I want to keep a target of 25,000 and a stop loss of 15,000. Okay. Now I'll click on save. Now this thing is being saved. Now I'll click on again start and I can click on backtest. As you can see, the backtest is running. Meanwhile, let's cover the other strategy, that is inverse EMA scalping. There you go. I'll quickly hop on to Phoenix. I'll click on Explore Ready Templates. After that, the inverse EMA scalping is on the next page. I'll click on the code. Let me explain you what this strategy is all about. It's very simple. It is, as the name suggests, it is the reverse or inverse of EMA crossover. Okay. So this scalping strategy takes contrarian trades using the EMA crossover logic. It enters a buy when the shorter EMA crosses below the longer EMA and sell when it crosses above. Very simple, right? Now what parameters can we tweak over here is very simple. The larger time period and the smaller time period, and as well as the candle duration. So now the backtesting has been done. If I want to see the results of the backtesting, I click on view details. Inside view details, I can see the logs over here. If there is any runtime error, I can check that as well. I can see the entry orders, when it was placed, what time it was placed, and as well as if I click on view detail analytics, it will take me to this page where I can see the analytics. I can see the cumulative returns. I can see the PNL curve and all the other things which are necessary for backtesting, and as well as the PNL book. If I click on data, as you can see, the PNL table has appeared over here. So this was EMA. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.